Time for kangaroo mode! Whippa, whippa! Oh, treat didn't work for me! That's because you're not an Aussie like God Miller! Let me guess, God of Kangaroo! Exactly! I'm making a great comeback! All for him! Remember who you are! Yes, Father! Wow! Oh, you must know your place in the circle of Ducati! Oh, you little... Sorry guys, but that message was for me! I won't fail you, Father! I'm the Lion Rins! Fans don't deserve this result from a god like me! Wow! Woo! Watch out with that speed or you will crash into a wallaby! Alex, you're not a wallaby! That's a wallaby! This final part of the championship is horrible for me! Carmini, send me one of your weapons to stop Pecco! Yeah, here, try one of my bombs! I was expecting a turbo or something like that! Prepare to face the power of Martinator! It's great to fight for the victory again! I'm the championship leader! Still second! Woo! My comeback is not over yet! It's time to recover what I have lost! Advocaat, give me your power! Hey, no! Where is the power? Hey! You lost it like your seat at Ducati Lenovo! You fair me! Woo! Yay! Now the championship is getting more exciting! Wow! Again on top, and this time no one will overtake me! If no one is going to overtake you, maybe a double travel will do it without problem! Yay! Okay, baby! Hey, come on, Reed! It says mapping 3, not mapping 4! I must stay here! I must take my look for this new podium, yeah! Wanna make a sprint to the victory? Of course! I'm the new championship leader, so I don't mind! I wonder who will win, my ready song! Wow! Yeah, I'm the Lion Rose again! Wow! Victory will come, I know it! I bet you're wondering why you are here today. The reason is that we must stop our common enemy. Pecco is stealing the championship from me, so annoy him in the next race. Did I mention he doesn't like birds? Yes, my flying army, flying army.
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Join our social networks, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook to see more designs. If you want to meet more minifans, you can chat with us in our Telegram group, Discord channel and Reddit. Don't forget to support us as a YouTube member or Patreon. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to click the like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the next Grand Prix!